Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachna Prasad and thank you for being here. So in today's video I'm going to talk about my July TBR. I'm doing a TBR for a first time because I don't really like to choose my books or choose books for monthly reading. But this time I haven't read books in a long time. I haven't read books since months, so I just really wanted to set up a TBR and choose some books that I have been meaning to read for a long time now. So what I did was this time I put up a poll on my Instagram and let my followers decide what should I read next. So I thought it would be helpful to just let someone else choose my reads for me. So maybe I could take some pressure and just finish off some reading some books. I chose total of 10 books to read. So in the end, 5 books were chosen. There are total number of 6 books that I'm going to read this month. So let's see which are those books. So I have chosen Needful Things by Stephen King. Now I have been meaning to read this book since last year. I bought it from Bookchore last year, and I have been meaning to read it since then. But some things came up, and I wasn't able to read this one. And this is a thick book, so I need to spare some time for this. Hopefully, I get time to read this book. The next book that I chose is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Now I have already started reading this book, and I'm really loving it. I think I am 55 pages in, and this book is good so far. I'm really excited to read the end. Some of my friends really love this book, so let's see how this one goes for me. The next book is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Now I chose two classic books to choose from because I haven't read classics as much as I should. So this time I wanted to include a classic in my TBR. So here is one of the classics. I'm really excited to read this one. And the next classic that I chose is The Animal Farm by George Orwell. This is kind of a humorous and ironical book, I think, but I'm really excited to read this book as this is a very small, tiny book. I don't think this will take much time. Oh, it will. The font is really small, so this might take some time because I'm not really good at reading classics because I find the language really hard. But let's see. And the next book, again, this one has been on my TBR for a long time. It's The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. I think this is about someone who goes to a foreign country, Indian, I guess. So I'm really excited to read this one. I have been looking forward to read this book. So yeah, and I have heard that Jhumpa Lahiri is an amazing writer. So yeah, and the next book is by one of my favorite authors, Jodi Picoult. This book is called Small Great Things. Now, I don't really know anything about this book, but I have heard good things about it, that this book is good. And yeah, and Jodi Picoult never really disappoints me. The only book that disappointed me was The Pact because the storyline was too dark, but then she has written some great books and I have loved her writings. So I'm really excited to read this one. And the next book is The Life You Want by Emily Barr. And this is again about traveling and finding yourself. So I am looking forward to read this one. This is kind of a book that you should read when you're feeling low. So yeah, and this kind of seems like a good read. So I have also chosen this for my TBR. I have chosen this to put up on the poll. So let's see what the results are, if I get to read this or not. The next book is Custard Tarts and Broken Hearts by Mary Gibson. Now I just really love the cover of this book, the spine, and of course the name. Again, I don't know much about this book, but I'm really looking forward to read this book. I think this book is based in World War II or One. I don't really remember, but this is about some girls who join a bakery. Yeah, so no, they join a factory to work in. Let's see how this one goes. And yeah, the next book is something that I'm really excited to read, and I don't know if this one will be chosen or not, but I'm really looking forward to read this one. I have been waiting for months. So it's The Snowman by Jo Nesbo. I saw Noel's video on her YouTube channel. She highly recommended this book to everyone. This is a thriller, and it's kind of like some murderer leaves snowmen near his victim's body, and I really want to know why and how he kills them. So yeah, really looking forward to read this one. And another book, so here is another one of my favorite authors, Daniel Steele, and this book is called Long Road Home. I am looking forward to read this book, but I don't really know this one will be chosen or not. So let's see. This book is really good. I have heard good things about it and bad things about it because Daniel Steele sometimes her writing is sometimes too descriptive, so that can some readers don't really like that. But through the years, I have chosen to ignore that thing because I really like her stories and the characters. So yeah, let's see. And the last book that I chose was The Invisible Girl. Now this is kind of a dark and emotional tale of a father and girl's relationship. This book is about Devi Barham, who was a comedy writer. She has written for many great shows, and so this book is really emotional, and I'm really looking forward to read this one. This book is written by her dad, so it contains tales that could be very dark and that could really make you cry. So let's see if this one gets chosen or not. So I have the results here with me. I uploaded a total 5 photos of 10 books, each story containing 2 books. So the first one was The Life You Want and Custard Tarts and Broken Hearts. So book that got more votes was The Life You Want by Emily Barr, and this one. So guess I will be reading this book for the month of July, and I'm really excited to read this one as this is something spiritual and something that helps you find your destiny, or it's about traveling. So I'm really looking forward to read this one. And the next 2 books are Needful Things by Stephen King and The Snowman. Now these 2 books were so close. I think the ratio is 53% to 47%. The difference in the votes were only 2 votes, I think. So book with more votes is The Needful Things by Stephen King. I am excited to read this one. I really love books by Stephen King. So let's see how this one goes for me. So the reason behind putting this book, 2 books together, was that these both are thrillers and these both books are really dark. I'll be reading Needful Things this month, but hopefully I pick this one next month, or maybe if I finish all the 5 reads, maybe I could pick that one up. And the next books are the classics, The Frankenstein and The Animal Farm. The book that got more votes is Animal Farm, and yeah, so this is the one that I'll be reading, and this will be on my July TBR. I'm really excited to read this one. So all the best to me. I will be reading the classic finally. Moving on to the next poll, the 2 books that I chose were The Long Road Home by Daniel Steele and The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. Now the books with more votes is The Namesake, and I'm really glad that people chose The Namesake, because I have been meaning to read this book for such a long time, and I have been meaning to read books by Jhumpa Lahiri. So this will be my first book by her, and I'm really excited to read this one. The last poll that I put up was Small Great Things and The Invisible Girl. So people chose The Invisible Girl, and I am really excited to read this book. This will be a little dark for me, or a little emotional, but I do love emotional books, and the story is really amazing. It's a tale of someone who has been through so much but still wrote such amazing comedy shows. So I'm really looking forward to read this book. This is a long book, but I'll be fine because I really love long books. I really enjoy reading them. And the 6th book that I chose for reading was The Alchemist. As I told you guys before, I have already started reading this book, and I'm really enjoying this. So in the month of July, I will be reading total of 6 books, and I'm really looking forward to read them. Some of them are from my favorite authors. Some genres will be new for me, and some authors will be new for me, but I'm really looking forward to read every book that that was chosen. So let's see how the books really go for me, because I haven't read books, my favorite books in months, the books that I would like to read. Yes, I have read some review copies, but that's a different thing, and reading some books that you really like is a different thing. So I'm really excited to read all these books. I really hope that I do read them. My classes will be starting soon, so I will have to focus on study. Let's see if I manage to balance the study and my reading. So hopefully I do read these books. And yeah, and thank you for watching this video. I'm really glad that you were here. So if you really like my content, if you really like the books I read or my recommendations, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. Leave a comment if you have read any of these books and if you found any favorite of yours. So yeah, thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.